Today, we're diving into the world of cooking with a look at 3 fantastic recipe apps for Android. Let's jump right in and explore what each of these apps can do for your kitchen adventures. Crockopot Recipe. The Crockopot Recipe app is perfect for slow cooking enthusiasts who want to make delicious meals with minimal effort. This app offers a wide variety of slow cooker recipes, ranging from appetizers to desserts. Users can easily browse through categorized recipes, each accompanied by detailed instructions and cooking times. The app also allows users to save their favorite recipes and create shopping lists based on the ingredients needed. With features like serving size adjustments and user ratings, this app makes it simple for anyone to prepare hearty, home-cooked meals with their crockpot. Mary's Recipe. Mary's Recipe app is designed for home cooks looking for easy-to-follow recipes that cater to various tastes and dietary preferences. The app features a diverse collection of recipes, including vegetarian, vegan, gluten-free, and family-friendly options. Each recipe comes with clear instructions, prep time, cooking time, and nutritional information. Users can also customize their experience by creating a personal recipe book and sharing their favorite recipes with friends and family. The user-friendly interface and search functionality make it easy to find the perfect dish for any occasion. Soup Recipes. The Soup Recipes app is dedicated to all things soup. Whether you're in the mood for a comforting bowl of classic chicken noodle or a hearty vegetable stew, this app has you covered. It offers a wide range of soup recipes, complete with step-by-step instructions, ingredient lists, and cooking tips. Users can explore various categories, such as vegetarian soups, creamy soups, and international recipes. The app also includes features like a meal planner and the ability to save favorite recipes for quick access. With its focus on comfort food, the Soup Recipes app is a must-have for anyone who loves to whip up delicious soups at home. Thanks for watching. We hope this overview of Crockopot Recipe, Mary's Recipe, and Soup Recipes has inspired you to try out some new dishes in your kitchen. Happy cooking, and we'll see you in the next video.